Guys, my name is Akhil and welcome to my channel. So today in this video we have something special here. We have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the most awaited product of my life. I've been waiting for this for my entire life. So today we have this in our hands. I'm just kidding. This is no Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is a laptop stand, as you can see. I got this from Amazon for about, it is saying 14.99, but that would be too much of a bargain that we need to spend on this, but it is what it is. It is a laptop stand and I got this from Amazon for about $5.99. So let's just quickly check this out and see what are the inside. Oh my god, for a laptop stand I didn't think we would be getting a liquid. I think it is a cleaning liquid for a laptop. That is nice. We also got a cleaning cloth, so, and also we have few, I think these are cable protectors. Yeah, this is nice. I didn't expect that this will be included in the box, but it's good to have some extra goodies in the box. So we have several, there's nothing here, let's just throw this out. And we have the laptop stand itself. So it is really great that it came in this particular bag. The bag is pretty good actually. So there's nothing to see additionally, it's just a laptop stand. So I'm just going to quickly open this, and yeah, this is the stand. Oh my god, wow, this is great. It is pretty sturdy and it is a metal stand. Wow, it is pretty locked in, but the quality is pretty amazing.
So this is as low as it gets, guys. The laptop stand, as you can see, the stand is here, and we have pretty good room for about 4 fingers. So this is the minimum height that it gets, and the maximum is this. So it gets pretty straight. So that is a good thing, and also it is pretty sturdy as well. So as you can see, yeah. So it is pretty sturdy. So you can easily type on this, and this is the company itself, Smashtronics. I don't know what's with that name. I guess I'll just smash my electronics once I receive the product, but I'm not sure. So I'll put a link in the description below, so do check it out. And also for 599 rupees, I think this is a pretty good deal. And we also have the cleaning liquid, and also we have 4 cable protectors, so that's a good thing. And also it comes with a bag, so for easy to travel. That's a good thing. So thumbs up from me for this product. If you want to buy this, I'll leave a link in the description below. So do check it out. And thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.